Hey everyone, and welcome to a very special episode of Prodigies. Today we're not playing any songs, but we are going to be talking about something very important, the solfege hand signs, which are technically called the Kerwin hand signs. So the Kerwin hand signs start out down here with two little fists kind of by your waist, and we like to sing do. You try. Do. Again. Do. Do. Nice job. Then we go from that strong do to a rising tone, re. You sing, re. Yeah, re. Oh, re. Nice job. Then we get flat hands for me, me. Sing and sign, me, me. The flat hands are nice because it shows us that me is sort of a restful tone or a peaceful tone. Then we do a thumbs down for the inspiring tone, fa. You sing, fa. Yeah, fa. Thumbs down for fa. Thumbs up for sol. You sing, sol. Yeah, sol. Sol. Sol is the grand tone or the bright tone. Then we go from sol up to la. Can you sing la? Again. La, la. La is kind of the sad or the weeping tone, and if you put your hands up here and just go like that, they will fall right into la. From la, we keep on going up like this to T. You sing T. Again, T, T. T is sort of the piercing tone, and T is kind of a rising tone also because it really wants to go up to the higher do. Let's try. T, do, T, do, T, do, T, do, T, do, T, do, do, do. Hey, nice job. So those are all the hand signs. Let's just talk about that T real quick. T, it's kind of like two little balls pointing up, kind of showing us that we're gonna go up into the do. Some people like to put their fingers like this, but either way, if you got a little ball and you're pointing up, that's your T up to your high do. So we started out with do and we ended with do, and that's because the musical notes always repeat in a pattern. Let's try it real quick. Let's try a really low do up to a really low re, mi, fa, sol, la, T, do. That do is where we actually started before. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, sol. I can't really sing up that high, but if you can keep on going, practicing the solfege up way high, way down low, and you can hear how that musical pattern repeats. I hope that helped with the solfege hand signs. I hope you had fun today. You can now jump into any of the lessons in the Prodigies and sing along with the hand signs, or you can jump into the songbooks and you can use the solfege hand signs in the songbooks to sing and sign in those as well. I hope you had a lot of fun, and until next time, I will see you later, see you later, see ya later. And welcome to a very wet episode of PSP Melodies number 14. Today we're going to be singing and hand signing as always, and we're going to have some more musical skips in our melody practice. When the music comes this way and hits the line, that's when you're going to sing and hand sign, and you can start by repeating after me. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Just like that with the half notes. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Yeah, nice job. So that's our melody today with some half notes. And now we're gonna speed it up a little bit with some quarter notes. All right, so let's do it together. 1, 2, here we go. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Again. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, do. Two more times. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. One more. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Hey, nice job with those quarter notes. We're gonna do that same exact thing, but with some black and white music. Try to notice the contour or the shape of the notes as we go. Ready? Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Again. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Nice and loud. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. One more time. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Hey, nice job with the quarter notes. We will finish up by double timing it with some eighth notes. It's a little bit harder to sing with the hand signs this fast, but try it if you want. You ready? Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Last one. Do, mi, re, fa, mi, ti, do. Give yourself a huge round of applause. Excellent job with PSP Melodies 14, everybody. Nice job with PSP Melodies number 14, everybody. When we go from do to mi, we are skipping up, and then we step back down to re. We skip up again to fa, step back down to mi, and then we have a final leap or skip up to that high T and that higher do. A lot of the Melodies episodes here toward the end of PSP Melodies are going to have these little skips where we're going from do to mi, re to fa, mi to sol, and then we'll finish it off with a nice simple resolution, something like a sol, do, or a ti, do, or maybe even a lower ti, do. And this is a great way to get some skips into our musical practice and to also have a nice clean resolution where the melody brings us back to home base do. Hey everyone, and welcome to PSP Melodies number 15. As always, we are going to be singing and hand signing when the notes come this way and hit our line. Today though, we are going to have some more musical skips, and we're going to start out on the note mi. Are you ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, here we go. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Just like that again. Ready? Go. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Hey, nice job with our half notes. So that is our melody for today, getting some more skips in there, and now we're gonna try it with some quarter notes. 1, 2, here we go. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Again. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Two more. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. One more. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Hey, nice job with the quarter notes. We're gonna try another round of quarter notes, but with some black and white sheet music. Make sure that you're getting the hang of it without the colors. You ready? Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Again. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Keep it going. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. One more. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Hey, nice job with the quarter notes, and to finish it up, we're gonna get some eighth notes, double time, even faster. If you don't want a hand sign, you can just sing nice and loud. Here we go. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. One more. Mi, sol, fa, la, sol, ti, do. Give yourself a huge round of applause, everybody. Nice job with PSP Melodies number 15.